Let's make a window, black window, in 1 minute with Pygame. So let's import Pygame. Let's import this. Now we get to initialize Pygame. Now we got to, let's create the width of the screen, 1000, and the height, let's say 100, 800. Now let's create the screen surface of the screen, the main one, that is going to be pygame.display.set mode, and we will use sides, where sides it's equal a tuple width and height. So there will be all these sides. Now we want to create the clock. For the frame rate, there is an instance of pygame.time.clock with a capital letter. Now we can create a loop that will go on until run is 1. So while run, that means while run is 1, we're gonna intercept the user's event that can click on the keyboard or press the button, whatever. So if this event type is equal to pygame.quit, run will be 0 and it will go out of this while loop, and so we will quit the Pygame with this and exit from sys with this to close everything. Let's go back here and for loop, and we want to update the screen with this play dot flip or update, and we will put the clock, the frame rate, we tick to 60. Maybe we want to screen dot fill with a color, let's say greenish, I don't know, yellow like. That's all. Let's run it, and that's it. And there's always the typo that is waiting for us. So there it is, yellow window in 1 minute, plus or less.